Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on human rights. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. As you know, Human Rights Day is celebrated annually around world on 10th December every year. So in this occasion, we will write an essay on human rights. First line is, human rights are fundamental freedoms inherent to all individuals. Second line is, they advocate for a universal norm of respect and decency for all people. Third line is, it is independent of their origin, gender, ethnicity or nationality. Fourth line is, these rights safeguard individual liberties. Fifth line is, they guarantee fundamental human necessities. Sixth line is, they also guard against exploitation and discrimination. Seventh line is, voting rights, the right to a fair trial and freedom of expression are examples of civil and political rights. Eighth line is, access to employment, healthcare, education and a decent quality of life are all included in economic and social rights. Ninth line is social justice and overall human well-being are the goals of these rights. Last line, that is line number 10, is human rights represent a shared vision of human dignity.